Mesoamerica harbors some of Earth's most magnificent forests. Across the region, 5 of them stand out, the largest and most pristine remaining. These shelter most of the region's biodiversity and sequester enormous carbon reserves. It is by no accident that much of them are managed and stewarded by indigenous and local communities, whose generations of stewardship have protected them from the wave of destruction that has ravaged many of the other forests in the region. But threats do still remain. Cattle ranching, industrial agriculture, illegal logging, and poaching are constant pressures. To protect these irreplaceable forests, the Wildlife Conservation Society, backed by the European Union and working with on-the-ground partners, has launched initiatives that preserve forests and support their guardians. The goal, to ensure the 5 forests of Mesoamerica endure. Patrol teams, formed by and from community and indigenous groups, were supported and equipped to document evidence both of wildlife and of threats to them and the forest. In total, across different project sites, over 500 patrols were conducted and over 30,000 kilometers monitored across 20 communities by these forest guardians.
Hemos logrado nuevas experiencias en el campo, tanto con la tecnología también, con el Smart. Entonces hemos captado nuevas experiencias.
Vamos caminando en una buena distancia y mientras recorrimos esa caminada, sacamos evidencia nosotros.
Supporting sustainable and climate-smart livelihoods has been a strategy to help foster forest-friendly livelihoods in communities that live alongside the forests. These have included support for home gardening, beekeeping, cacao planting, and jate harvesting. In total, 30 communities received support for such livelihoods throughout the project.
Well, backyard gardening, I can say that a lot of farmers, not only farmers, but just community members on a whole, they have started to have that interest in growing their own food. So the knowledge is being shared and they're using it. Smart agriculture practices.
Where forests have been lost due to illegal logging, cattle ranching, or fire, restoration programs are reversing the damage. To date, over 20,000 hectares have been restored. Supported by 8 community nurseries cultivating native species.
No estamos limitados solo a siembra de árboles como tal. Es una mezcla entre la generación de empleo, la biodiversidad.
Ya se está haciendo de esta forma la restauración de paisajes, se está dando la oportunidad a las personas, pues se ha visto que ha ayudado mucho.
Other initiatives across the region focused on sustainable tourism models, advancing technical studies and developing governance and planning processes. Mesoamerica's 5 great forests hold the key to our region's future. By uniting conservation efforts with local and indigenous communities, we protect not just forests, but the biodiversity they shelter, the carbon reserves they lock away, and cultural identity they sustain. Through the ongoing partnership of the Wildlife Conservation Society, local organisations, and with the support from the European Union, we can ensure these forests remain standing, not just for today, but for generations to come.